words can express, how appreciative I am. To be honest with you, I kind of like had given up because I got the cancer diagnosis. I was in training on a job, and that got closed because of COVID, and I was just like on a not a good roll, but it's turned out okay. I heard about Rebuilding Together, and it's a wonderful program, and I applied, and called me about 9 months later and said, we've got Pete here at Calvinage Roofing, and he wants to give you a roof, and I can't be more happy.
It's been leaking for years, correct?
Yes, it has. In fact, Rebuilding Together has even helped me with, I didn't have heat for about 10 years. So they gave me heat. So, and then, of course, the cool roof with you.
Yeah. We as a company went to GAF and said, this is what we want to do. They're on board. Then we went to ABC, one of our largest suppliers, and they said, absolutely. So then I went to the BBB, and they said, absolutely. And then here we are.
It's a win-win. It's a wonderful program, and I thank each and every one of you so very much. So, happy to help.
Yes, very happy to help.